Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. As you can see, we don't have any privacy on our two side lights. If you're standing outside, you can see everything what's going on in our house and we don't like it. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and I'm gonna be installing Decorative privacy film on two side lights. I got these two rolls from Amazon and each roll cost about $9. I'm gonna put links on all products I use in this video in the description below, and the design is absolutely beautiful. Both sides of side light glass are covered in paint, and I'm gonna start by scraping off all of the paint and cleaning the window. I'm using utility knife blades to remove the paint, and as you can see, it works perfectly. The next step will be to clean your glass, and I'm gonna be using glass cleaner by Sprayway. I like this cleaner because it helps to clean the glass really fast and makes the job really easy. Even it is not necessary to clean your glass outside, I decided to clean it so the glass will be absolutely clear. If you don't wanna do it, you can skip this step. To apply water, I'm using sprayer by Zep. This is not your 99-cent sprayer. This sprayer cost me $4, but I really like it, and it didn't give me any problems during the whole installation process. I highly recommend you to buy the sprayer so you won't have any issues when you're installing the same or similar window film. Apply enough water on the entire window and do not forget to remove protective plastic from the window film. First, I aligned the left side of the film. I'm using squeegee to remove bubbles and water.
All the bubbles needs to be removed.
The window film is stretching. This is why I didn't cut it before the installation. I just pinned the one side of the film to the door, and now using this precision knife I'm gonna be cutting excess of the window film. To make a perfect cut, use this film trimming tool. Just take your time, move really slowly, and you can make a perfect cut and you won't have any exposed glass. Now it is time to remove the rest of the bubbles. Follow exact same steps and install the second window film. And this is how it looks now after the installation of privacy film. I really like the results, and as you can see, now if we want full privacy, we can simply close our blinds and it's gonna be impossible to see what's going on in our house. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.